And now what are we doing? What did I tell you guys just a few months ago before we were taking that trade? What did I say? I said 43 to 60, I think I said 60, yeah, 68, 69, 68 area. What is it doing? It's bouncing. I'm marking the levels, okay? Now, who can do that? You know what I mean? I'm not saying that other people can't do that. I'm just telling you that I'm showing you that I can truly trade, and I know what I'm talking about when it comes to price action, okay? That's what I'm telling you. That was a level sitting right there. Price bounce at that level. So being able to tell you something before it actually happens, and then it does happen, that should give you enough signal and let you know that this person, me, I understand the market. I understand. I'm able to read market analysis, understand what's going on, and study price, and know what's going on with price action. So when you find someone like that that can basically explain to you in depth and also show you and let you know what price is going on, stop, pause, reject, or what the level is, where it's going to bounce at. I mean, I'm telling you these things. I do this for a reason because I don't want to make it feel like I have something to hide, which I don't. I'm telling you so I can gain your trust. It's a means for me to be able to gain your trust by showing you and letting you know something's that's going to happen prior to it happening, and then it happens. And to me, it's just like if somebody can show me that, then it's like saying, "Wow, this person knows what they're talking about." So that's why it's not a means of trying to entice anyone to subscribe to the channel. I just want to be able to show you so that you can feel trustworthy in me. Maybe. Say helping you or showing you or explaining things to you so that maybe you can catch on yourself if you're a beginner. And all I ask is for you guys to subscribe to the channel. So at this time, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. What do you have to lose? I don't have anything to sell you. I don't want your money. I'm not trying to take from you in any kind of way. I don't have any, I'm not trying to profit from anyone out there doing this. I just want to help someone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike. And once again, we're going to start off today. I'm going to be trading the Emini S&P 500 in this session, as I always do. Guys, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm a live price action trader. I trade the Emini S&P 500, as I just said. That's my go-to primary market or instrument I trade. So these are my live trading recording sessions that I post every single day. I try to my channel here. And I trade basically on my strategy of just trading price action, looking for price to move to or pull back to a level, and look for the rejection and failure and take that pullback trade. So that's basically what I do. One thing I always do before I actually get started into the session is look at the prior day or kind of look at the market structure and see what's going on in the market. We did have, we did have the market kind of pushing back up. Last week we had that sell-off, correct, right? So then the market started stair-stepping on its way back up, kind of covered some ground. Then we kind of hit the top here at a, I'm sure there's some level of resistance sitting up here at 44.72. Market bounces there and pretty much starts selling back off again. So yesterday in the market, we just had to continue selling off and to about 1 o'clock yesterday, and then the market kind of started moving sideways, doing a little channel to the upside here. We'll take a look at that channel there. I'll show it to you. Let's see here. Where's it at? Okay, here we go. Just a little channel here that the market was moving in yesterday, right here. Okay, it was moving up, so it bounced here at an area of support, which I'll show you that here in a moment. Okay. So at 44.36, the market pushes up, pulls back, pushes higher, pulls back, pushes higher. So kind of a little channel right there. But now the market's coming back to test, probably pushing back down to test this area right here. So at 43.36. So we'll be looking for possibly maybe a long entry trade here once price gets back down to this level. If it does, because they were at the lower end of the high volume area as well. Okay. So the level here, this red line right here that I have marked, is coming off of, let's see here. Yeah, right here. Right here, where this red line's drawn. So price push down, pull back, push lower, taking out this swing right here. Okay, that swing there, that the price is moving to the upside right here. The swing to the upside right here. That was from September the 19th, I believe. Let's take a look. Yeah, I believe it was September 19th. September the 19th. And so price pushed up, of course, and then it eventually started making swings to the downside. So it made a swing to the downside, pull back, boom, forming the swing right here. When price pushed down, pull back, and then push lower. That formed that swing right there that took out this swing here to the upside. So then price turns back around, reapproach it, and trying to take out this swing here to the downside on its way back up, forming a level here at 44.30, 38, 37, somewhere around there, you could say. So that's the general area to mark, and that's why I have this level marked here. So so let's go ahead and look at that's kind of a market recap in a sense, guys. So and I want to also say, guys, I say this in every one of my videos from front to back. I appreciate everyone who's been subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the following. I appreciate all the likes. I appreciate your emails. So I have nothing to sell here on this channel, guys. I have nothing to sell at all. I'm just hopefully my live entry trades here, my recording of my sessions here help someone that maybe be a beginner or trying to learn how to actually trade and trade price action, and possibly looking for a strategy to trade based off of. And that's, to me, I look at I analyze what the market is doing, what it's done. I study price action, and then I just pretty much, mark my levels and patiently wait for price to come back to them, look for the failure rejection, and then take the pullback. Okay. All right. So let's look at the market so far, and I have not marked any levels, guys. So this will be my first attempt today, looking at the charts and marking some levels. It is currently 9:50 right now. Okay. So the market, the New York market, New York Stock Exchange opened at 9:30, of course. So the market is that's Eastern time. So the market is open. All right. So let's look to see what has taken place. Okay, so the market's come down. Okay, let's see. All right. So I'm looking. There's purple. Let's see. Let's see. So the market has pushed down, pulled back, forming little swings to the downside. Couldn't take this area here out right here at 43.61 when it pulled back right here and moved lower. So this could possibly be another test for the market to push lower. So we'll possibly wait to see. The market did reject this area here, and we'll see what happens here. So maybe we'll get some rejection here. I'm going short, guys. A little early on this trade, but no biggie. Come on, there we go. All right, okay. So hopefully the market comes back down and fills me there. Okay, come on. I was in with two contracts there trying to get filled on a point here. Come on. There we go. Okay. Quick trade just like that, picking up. Let's see here. So we're already off just real quick into the market, picking up a point, or let's see what we got total. That was 8 ticks, okay? First 8 ticks, okay? There we go. All right. First trade of the day. A little short. All right. So I mentioned what happened is that there's a level, of course. Let's see. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Right here. So the market pushes down, pulls back, pushes lower, taking out the swing right here to the upside on the swing to the downside. Okay. Market turns around. When it pulls back right here, it's rejecting to push higher. Pushing it higher, pushes, pulls back here. It pulls back again right here, rejecting, pushing it higher, and then we're just testing this, this swing high right here from these where the market pushed down, like right here, push down, pull back, push down, pull back. Stair stepping on the way down. Price rejected each time it pulled back. It rejected this swing level right here. Okay, so now we could possibly get a bounce to the excuse me, not a bounce. Price can actually push higher or attempt to try to push higher now. But it's going to have to take out the tops here of these swings right here, okay, and then possibly push higher. I did take that was a little scalp, okay. That was a little scalp. It was risky because it was at the point of control, the POC, but I took a quick scalp. Okay, price is breaking higher now, okay. So let's see. Let me take a look. Okay, that I don't. Okay, if price comes back, pulls back to 43.57 area, somewhere around there, 58, 57. I'll be interested. So we'll see what happens to the price if it does come back to that area. And that's because there's a level sitting here where price broke to the upside, taking out swing high here. A swing right here, not swing high, but a swing right here. Okay. So let's see now what price is trying to do. It's still trying to push higher. It's going to have to take out the this top right here, this swing high here at 43.78 if it wants to push higher. Okay, and that was from where price is pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back. You know, making a swing to the upside. Then it retraces. Now it's going to turn back around and push higher if it wants to continue pushing higher, taking out 43.78, just like I said. Okay, so let's see what happens. And yeah, let's see price come back. Let's see if price comes back to 43.57. Yeah, so it looks like unless we fail here, get some rejection in this area here, the price could possibly just trying to push higher. So let's see. Yeah, maybe here at 43.67. I'm not sure because we're kind of close to the tops there. So let's see. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure, guys. When you're not sure, you kind of stay to the sidelines there. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Price is coming down to, oh, that's not a level. Okay. I'm not sure where I have this line marked right here. All right, let's see. Let's see what the market is doing here. So it's taking out that area there. Okay, so the market, I was trying to wait for price to get away from this area, the PLC, it pushed up higher, and now it's retracing back, and this is a, okay. See, at the PLC, I'm trying to wait for price to kind of move away from the PLC. I don't really like trading around the point of control. So, it did come back to the lower portion of the top volume area here, but um, crap. Yeah, this right here was, yeah, this was an entry here on a pullback. Price, there's a level right here. Price pushed up, came back to the level, and it's rejecting it. So, okay, now it's bouncing right here. All right, I see what it's doing. Uh, Trading around the POC. All right. Okay. Now it's a pullback right there. It's pushed up. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. All right. Around the POC, I'm waiting for price to get up to move away from this area here. Let's see. Price is rejecting to push higher at this point, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. VPOC just shifted a little bit to the downside. It's building most of the volume right here. You can see it on the 12 range chart and on the 4 range. This is the area where most of the volume is being traded for today. Um, hmm. Yeah, forming a little double bottom right here, bouncing up to this area right here, topping of the volume profile. Price has centralized itself around the POC right now, so I'm being cautious right now, guys. Being cautious. If it breaks below here, this area right here, I'll take a short. But I'm gonna take it if price breaks below, forming a swing to the downside, then on a pullback. So we'll see what happens. Okay. See there? Look at that. See how price janked right back to the PLC? You gotta watch it. You gotta be patient and careful and wait for the break and the pullback. Still trading around the PLC. This um just looking at something for a second. Okay. Yeah, we're still trading around the PLC, guys. Price is bouncing off this area of resistance. It came up here. When it pushed up here, it's bouncing off this area right here. Okay. Hmm. You gotta be able to follow price action. Keep your eyes glued to your charts. Follow price action. Market levels on the higher time frame, and then from off the higher time frame, and then use your lower time frame for your entry chart to make your entries or take your entries off of. So what I like to see is price to it push down here, it pull back to break this low right here, okay, and then pull back and then go short. But right now it's moving sideways around the POC. Yeah, I'm not sure what price is trying to do here. It could be trying to push higher now. Um, let's see. It appears it's trying to push higher. Looks like it is. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Wow. That's why I hate, price gets stuck around the POC. It's like a magnet. It's supposed to stay there and trade sideways. I'm waiting for price to pull away from this area or see if it at least does try, if it's going to. Okay, it's pulled. Yeah, this could be a little long here. 68.50. Come on. Come on. Price is probably it's going to test 43.68.5. There we go. All right, second little entry trade right there. Rejection right here. This is on a pullback. Okay, on a pullback. Price is moving sideways though, so I switched over and started looking at the micro levels here on my lower time frame, and saw price breaking. The swing went moved to the downside right here. I saw price, turning back around and retaking out this swing to the downside, moving higher with the swing to the upside, like here, pushing up, pulling back, pushing higher. It took out this swing right here to the downside. So when it pulled back, I look for the I look back. I look for the entry to go long. That's what I'm trying to say. What went long a little early, but you know, it's that's what I was looking for. All right, we can go long right here. And I'll show you. Boom, boom. Quick little scalp. Price is gonna pause right here. 43.66 and a quarter. Wasn't much, 3 or 4 ticks, but still, that's how you do it. That was just on a quick little scalp on a pullback. Okay. But price is centralized around the PLC, so I'm going to wait. You see, what is it doing? Moving sideways. All right. So, like I said, I want to see, maybe it's going to break lower. Maybe it's already making a structure here to the downside, pushing it, push down here, pull back. Maybe it's going to finally break and push lower. If it does, on a pullback, look to go short, not long. Come on, man. What's it doing? And so far, it's not wanting to break and pushing it higher. It can't take out this area right here. This top end of this swing right here, 43.75. So maybe we're going to get a push to the downside or get a break to the downside at least. Come on. It's a crazy mess. Gosh, we're like right around the POC and it's like just chopping, chopping, chopping. This is what aggravates me. This is what makes trading not fun. Okay, that was a little long right there. I didn't let me see something. Yeah, that was a little long right there, just to this area right here. I didn't actually, yeah, I didn't catch that. I didn't see that little long. There was a little long entry right here. Right here. Didn't catch it. Wasn't paying attention to it. What Price tried to do here would pull back. Okay, it retraced back, pushed up, and retraced back. It broke that little swing low right there by a few ticks, not closing below. Turn back around, and then it closed to the upside. You can go long there, but it's bouncing at this little swing level right here. So gotta be able to read that price action, man. Gotta be able to read it. Okay, maybe we're gonna get a break finally to the upside. Maybe. We'll see. I mean, right now, let's see. Yeah, maybe the market's gonna kind of follow suit now and continue pushing. That was on a retracement here and then push higher. Right now, what do you guys see? What can you tell me that you see? What do I see? I see a wedge. I see a wedge, you know? Higher low, lower highs. Price is wedging. Dangerous area. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Okay? But hopefully it's going to follow suit now. Break this little high here, and then come up and test the swing high. Price pushed up. You know, price pushed up, pull back, push higher, retrace back. This is the swing high right here. This is the high of the swing to the upside. So maybe it's going to finally push higher and break this swing here, and give us some momentum to the upside, and start breaking some swings to the upside. Don't know. I'm not saying that for sure. I don't know what it's doing. All I know it's doing right now is wedging and moving sideways. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. So let me see here, guys. Let me take a look at something. Boom, 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 boom. So price never broke below this low right here at 43.64. So maybe a price comes back down to let's see. Uh 66. Yeah, back down to the V-pot, to be honest with you. Back down to the V-pot is what I'm looking at, close to it. That could possibly be, there's a level there, I'm trying to say. There's definitely a level there. So, the level is resting right here in this area here, but being so close to the point of control, price can come back down to the point of control and then push, before we be an area of retracement to where we can see some rejection there. So the price is trying to push higher, so let's see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this level sitting right here at 43.66 and a half. So okay, let's see here. 43.72. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, don't like. I mean, that's a little small micro level, but yeah, I'm not interested in that. Actually, it's not. You see something? No. Yeah, price come back to 43.66 area, possibly. But like I said, once again, that's gonna put us around the point of control. So I need to see price break above 43.65. I mean 43.75 and push higher. So that's what I'm hoping it does. Yeah, because that is the high in this swing to the upside right here. Okay, so price pushed up, pull back, push higher, pull back. Yeah, we got to see it take out 78, 43.78. So when it pull back, it's just trying to take out swings to the take swings going back on the push back up. It's trying to take these swings right here that we're moving to the downside, pushing up. Now it's trying to, it wants to take those swings, trying to take those swings back out to the upside. So maybe it does. I'm not sure, but it's definitely moving sideways. Definitely moving sideways. No doubt about it. Mm, yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah. It could. Let's see. It could push back down here and test this area again. so far as not wanting to take out this a little high right there at 75. It could come back down here and break below. So yeah, that's maybe what it could do. I mean, definitely come down here and just, finally get that break to the downside and push lower. So it's pushing lower. So let's see. I'm not sure now in looking at the market if I would take a long entry when price came back here because definitely not seeing price taking out this level so far. We're taking this area here out. You really got to be able to read price action and know what the market should be doing. What the market should be doing is pushing higher, making swings to the upside, taking out this high here at 43.78. But it's not so far. It's pulled back, pushed higher, trading sideways, and trying to take it out, but it got there at 43.75, pulled up there, and pulled back and moving sideways. So maybe this will finally be the break to the upside. Maybe it will. Okay, so price is a little volatile right now, and I'm trying to figure out, looking to see what it's doing here. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick little scalp. Come on. There we go. All right, quick little scalp. Right back to this level right here. All right, that was on a pullback, okay? I mentioned if price came back to the PLC, I would look for an entry, and that's little pullback right there. So okay. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. If price can break. Okay. All right. Come on. I was trying to get in with 2 contracts on this trade, but it only got me at 1. Okay, so there's 2 little entries. 2 entries. I mentioned the price broke below this area right here, it's 64, that I would take an entry. We could get a pullback here. The price is bouncing off resistance right now. So I don't know. I think I'll wait it out here, guys. So 2 little short entry trades right there. Well, excuse me, 1 long and then 1 short. Okay, wait for price to break. So this could be a pullback, but let's see. May not get much here because of how the structure, how price is setting up here. Okay. So this could be a bounce. There it is. That was the bounce right there. Back down to at least 62 and 3. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that was the short on the pullback I was talking about. Okay, now we need to look for I think I said 57 and price came back to 57, but it could bounce. I'm looking for maybe come here. I believe. Let me take a look, guys. Bear with me. Yeah, 57, 57 area. The price can come back to that, but it looks like it's bouncing right here at 60. So, yeah. So let's stand still for a moment. See what price is trying to do. It's rechecking a little swing high right here, or the swing. When the price can't push lower, pull back. There could have been a little scalp entry going short here, just for a few ticks. Man, probably most people probably won't want to take that. but that was a pullback. Price is making a little double bottom here, so it's just pulling back up to test this area here. So let's wait to see what's going to happen. We're still kind of centrally located around the PLC. Okay, price pulled back to the PLC. So let's see here. Let me take a look, guys. All right. So let's see what happens. Price push lower. Finally breaking this swing right here. Finally breaking this swing. When price is pushing up, push down, pull back, push lower, breaking that swing there. All right. So maybe at 64. But dang, we're right here dead smack at the PLC. Okay. Dangerous area. But maybe in that area, it could be a little trade there. That's a little level sitting right there. Little level. Could be for the quick little scalp. So, um, hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it could come down to 60, 62 though, so be careful. I'll get in one contract here, but I'll put a contract back here. Oh, there we go. That quick. See that? I mentioned it. A little pullback to this area here. See that where I had that level marked at right there, 63.5? Boom, right on it. It could push a little lower here though. I believe the area is going to be right here, maybe around 62 could be, but it could bounce where it's at right now. Okay. So, okay. All right. All right, guys, let's see if I can get one little more trade here. Maybe so. Um, yeah, one little more trade. And that will put us at, let's see if we can get one little more trade here and see what we end up with here. Okay, price is bouncing there. Yep. I said it was. You guys heard what I said, right? 62. I said probably come down to 62 and bounce, but that's what it's doing. So the trade was a little early, but it was an area to take a trade from. I mean, there was a little entry, but you gotta look at resistance right above you and know that price could pause and stop there. So, oh man. Um, well, let's wait it out and see what happens here. I'm trying to get into one, maybe one little bit more, one little more trade. Okay. Yeah, price is still moving sideways here at the PLC. So just waiting, guys. That's all I'm doing. It's probably gonna put it's it's moving sideways right here. So not 100% sure what it's trying to really do here. We got this swing to the downside. Price push down, pull back, push lower. And then you got a swing within that swing. Swing here and swing here. So even if price breaks right here at 43.68, it can just pull up and test this area right here at 43.70, right above it, 2 points above it. So, and pause there. So we in a wedge, moving around, building volume right here. You're not taking my trades just in this general area right here. So once you become, you know, you get everything under your belt, price action, understand, and you're trading successfully, you'll learn how to trade even within the like an area of congestion where there's micro levels at. Yeah. So, okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, took that little swing here out to the upside. Um, so yeah, I'd like to see price. It could come back to um 6.3 again, the PLC, and get another test there. That's what I'm trying to say. Definitely can. Definitely can. All right. Huh. Let's come. This is what you get when you play when you're trading around the PLC. It wants to just pull back and forth to the PLC. I told you that the point of control is like a magnet. Once it gets away from it or gets, moves out the area, then you're kind of in a better situation. But they do this for a reason. Some people would tell you, "Oh, it's the squeeze. The market's in a squeeze. It's building, I guess, momentum, building power to uh, make a powerful move one way or the other." Maybe so, but that's not how I trade. Uh, yeah, price good. Huh. Uh, little little entry here. Taking a quick little scalp. And there we go. Quick little scalp. Just looking at this little micro swings right here. What price did right here. Okay. Price pulling back to the PLC. Rejecting. You see this little swing to the upside here, and then price pushes higher, pushes up, pushes back, pushes higher. Price comes down and tests this little swing right here, right? Pulls down. Moves back up and retracing, pushes down. The candle does not close below it. That's the wick, right? And then it pushed back up. I took a trade going back up, testing this little high right here. All right, that's all I did. Quick little scalp. Okay. But anyways, guys, I think, that is, unless price moves out of this area here, that may be my last trade for right now. Trying to see what I have here for today so far. Okay, so far, yeah, so far up. I'll show it to you guys. 39 ticks, it looks like, right now. Okay, so not too bad. Trading around since, trading around the POC, which I don't like to do, but, and that gives us it puts us at $487.50 for right now for today. $487.50. Okay. All right. You guys can do the same. You can do the same. Just don't jump into the market throwing money into your brokerage account and then don't know how to trade. Wait till you know how to fully do what you're doing, because I don't want to see anyone out there lose money. All right. I'm not saying you won't have bad entries to where you may have a losing trade, but the aim, the goal is to have more wins than losses. So at the end of the day, you're net profit or whatever you want to say. Your profit is you're in the blue. I mean blue in the you're in the win. You're in the profit. You know, versus in the red. So okay, so like I said, I want to see price need to take out 43.78, and it looks like it's trying to now. So all right. Let me take a look at something. Okay, now we could get a little. We could get a little. Let's see. Pull back to 43.69. I don't like this area because we're at the top of the high volume area right here. It price could pull back to 43.69 area, and it could be a little trade entry there. But I don't like it because it's at the top end of the top volume area, both on the 4 range and the 12 range. And I always say take your trades if you're going long below the high volume. So I don't like that, to be honest with you. I'm just looking to see what price is doing. Man, it's crazy because we're just trading in just range here in this area right here around the PLC, pushing and pulling back and forth between it. You see it right here. The area I'm talking about, today's trading area, where I've been trading so far today, is just right here, and I'll be able to make almost $500 just trading this area right here. Okay. I mentioned to you earlier that I took the break on the trade to the downside because I saw, like, when price pushed down here, there was a level. Price pushed up, pulled back, pushed up higher, right? So when price turned back around, pushed lower, pulled back, and took out this swing to the upside right here. On the swing, with this swing to the downside, when price broke this low right here, okay, at 43.63 and 3/4 on a retracement, you could have went short, which was right here. Got it? So price pushed lower, pull back. This was your entry to go short, but you gotta watch out because your low is sitting right there. Your area where price could pause at or stop at is right below it, probably within a point or two. That's it. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out here. Price is moving sideways. Give me a second. Oh man, I didn't see this. This is a short right here at 76. Dang on it. Okay, I'm gonna jump in. 30.71. Okay. I'm going to take a quick little scalp here. Oh, there we go. Already, just that quick. I knew. All right, so there we go. Two little entry trades. I mean, a little short there. I knew price would come down and test this area right here. And it could come down and test this red line like I told you, which is an area of support there. And let's see. See price bouncing at it right now? See it? Okay, so on that trade right there, that short, oh wow, that was a good trade. I picked up 16 ticks, so that brings us to 55 ticks so far right now. Okay, and I'm explaining that trade to you right now. I'm going to show that to you. So that puts me up 55 ticks and $687. We were just at 487, so I picked up $200 on a little trade right there. All right. So what happened there was this right here. All right. So I mentioned to you guys, let's see what happens when price comes to this level right here. If we're going to get some fall through to the downside, or the price is going to bounce. And we've already tested it. So gotta watch out here. See it bouncing there? Okay. All right, so let's talk about this trade that I just took. All right, so I mentioned to you guys that price was stair-stepping to the upside, making these swing to the upside, pull back, a higher low, higher high, higher low, moving sideways right here, right? So here's the high that it needs to break to push higher, right, at 43.78. When price retraced, it pulled back up, rejected this area, right? Okay, couldn't push through it. Pulls back, tests it again. Entry to go short. All right. Finally breaks. It finally, it pushed lower here on a swing to the downside. Turns around, after bouncing off an area for support, tries to push higher again. Well, okay. Well, it couldn't. It failed there again. It failed in that area again. It couldn't push higher. All right. So when I saw that wick right there, that rejection, that told me that was rejection in that area right there, with price not wanting to close above, with that a green candle to the upside, breaking right here at 43.75 to push higher. When I saw that, that's going to be, to me, that's a rejection. That's a sign of a rejection, of failure. And that's why I took that short trade, guys. It was a little late because I took it after the fact, but I knew price had potential to at least to come down and test 43.70. So that's why I took that trade. And now what are we doing? What did I tell you guys just a few months ago before we were taking that trade? What did I say? I said 43.60. I think I said 60. Yeah, 68, 69, 68 area. What is it doing? It's bouncing. I'm marking the levels. Okay. Now who can do that? You know what I mean? I'm not saying that other people can't do that. I'm just telling you that I'm showing you that I can truly trade, and I know what I'm talking about when it comes to price action. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. That was a level sitting right there. Price bounced at that level. So being able to tell you something before it actually happens, and then it does happen, that should give you enough signal and let you know that this person, me, I understand the market. I understand. I'm able to read market analysis, understand what's going on, and study price, and know what's going on with price action. So when you find someone like that that can basically explain to you in depth and also show you and let you know what price is going on. Stop, pause, reject, where the level is, where it's going to bounce at. I mean, I'm telling you these things. I do this for a reason because I don't want to make it feel like I have something to hide, which I don't. I'm telling you so I can gain your trust. It's a means for me to be able to gain your trust by showing you and letting you know something's that's going to happen prior to it happening, and then it happens. And to me, it's just like if somebody can show me that, then it's like saying, wow, this person knows what they're talking about. So that's why it's not a means to try to entice anyone to subscribe to the channel. I just want to be able to show you so that you can feel trustworthy and me, maybe say helping you or showing you or explaining things to you so that maybe you can catch on yourself if you're a beginner. And all I ask is for you guys to subscribe to the channel. So at this time, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. What do you have to lose? I don't have anything to sell you. I don't want your money. I'm not trying to take from you in any kind of way. I don't have any, I'm not trying to profit from anyone out there doing this. I just want to help someone. Help someone by posting these videos. That's all I want to do, guys. So I hope this helps someone today. I hope it helps someone tomorrow, maybe a new viewer that actually ends up watching this. So thank you guys for those that have already subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys to those that are liking the videos. I appreciate it. Continue to do so. And take the time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. This is your first time watching the video. Take care, guys. Be safe in the market if you're trading, and see you in the next video.